Hey everybody, this week has been an interesting, challenging week for us. We're actually out of power right now, and our neighbor, who has a generator that kicks on automatically, is we're jealous of. We'd love that, and we're working on that. We tried to get our generator to start, but then we got gas, but then we found out the battery's bad, so we can't get it to start. This is the progress on our pool going on. There's going to be stairs right there in the middle, and right over there as well, and the deep end, and that's the shallow end where you stick a lounger in and everything, and kind of enjoy the palm trees and the beach. So we had to make hot water the old-fashioned way on a stove this morning, and we got a gas stove, so we can do that. We still have hot water in our hot water tank, so we got that going on. And so we're making our morning drinks, and now I'm gonna hang out on the palapa and enjoy the ocean, and then go swimming in it to cool off. We're on our probably close to 10 hours of no power. This area in Yucatan on the beach has been the most power outages we've ever had in Mexico, or anywhere really, ever. Actually, we didn't have a lot of power outages before. In fact, none overnight. Only just usually during the middle of the day, peak times or something. You go get in the pool and it's no big deal. But here, we have had it happen at 10 o'clock or midnight in the evening, and last upwards of 12 hours actually. So, and it's happened a lot, like 3 times a day, and every week it usually is happening. So I don't know what's up with this little small fishing village that we bought our property on, but we're having that quite a bit, and so we're trying to get on top of making sure the generator actually works. So that we're mostly concerned about our refrigerators, making sure our food doesn't go bad. We eat a lot of vegetables, and so we actually have 2 refrigerators packed full of vegetables that we use every day, and so it's a little bit harder for us than I think some people on trying to keep their food cold. So let's see, that was the update on that. That was the generator over there, which I told you about. And I think that's it for now. Well, actually yesterday, another issue we had was that internet service provider. We have 2 routers, fiber optics, really fast. It's actually really quite nice. In the house, one here on this ground floor and one on the very top 3rd floor. And 3rd floor one, about 2 days after we moved in, took possession of the house and whatnot, quit working. Come out, it was someone stole some copper wire at some substation. Well, apparently the guy that was going to fix it for us came by yesterday and said we weren't here, which was hilarious since we had about 10 workers going on. No one rang the doorbell, no one called us, nothing. And so we don't believe him, whoever it is. But here with that company, they reset your support ticket, and so they said, oh, we showed up but nobody answered the door, so we closed the support ticket. If you still have an issue, reopen it. And it's been open for 5 weeks or something, this problem. So now we got to submit it all over again and get put in the queue, which is probably lengthy, because my guess is the problem still is an issue because the copper wire is really expensive. But we're seeing what's going on, and hopefully that's fixed soon. We'll see. And that's an update from here on the beach. Hope everybody else is having a wonderful time, and I'll check with you guys in later. Make sure you like and subscribe, and comment if you got any questions about how to do a renovation in Mexico. It's not the easiest thing to do, and you have to get really good people. And we did, like I told you when I did the video about the paint job here in the casita. It came out pretty well, and we're doing a lot of other things to the house besides the pool. We got a water pressure going in on the roof sometime this coming week, and they're going to be finishing off the pool and some of the wiring and plumbing that goes along with it. And yesterday, our steamer came in. We're actually going to have a steam room, and we bought it from a Mexican company, and they FedExed it, and it showed up yesterday early. So that we're going to have installed as soon as they are able to. They're working on the pool. We got to finish that, then stick in the steam room. So we got a lot of upcoming projects. So make sure you subscribe, and I will talk to you later. Bye.